Tayla, and I know I kind of went MIA, even though no one watches my channel.
It's okay, I do.
She loves my video. When did you? I just made it. Yeah, I'll show you my videos after. Anyways, so I'm back with Annalise and Tayla. I'm first here with Annalise. Actually, I'm back with Annalise. I'm here with Tayla.
We're getting back with Annalise.
We went shopping.
Yeah, I was in her
First
video.
vlog? Second.
Anyways,
today we're gonna be blind deaf mute baking.
Actual. Oh my god, you do too.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Blind, deaf, and mute baking. So I'm gonna be mute, she's gonna be deaf, and she's gonna be blind. Let's fix that shit up.
my
Oh wait, I'm supposed to see. Can't look yet. What?
Hey girl. She can't see nothing. I can't hear.
We need a bowl.
I don't know.
We need a bowl.
I can still hear you.
Wait, now I can hear. Okay, good. I swapped you around.
I can still hear.
Yes.
Taylor's good.
I'll crack the eggs.
She's good.
There's a bowl.
No, there's no bowl yet. Me?
This is butter.
Quiet.
This is butter. How much butter do we need?
Oh, so that means yes. That means no.
How much butter do we need?
Taylor, that means yes.
What means yes?
That means yes. That means no.
Oh.
Okay, let's get a bowl.
Do you have a bowl? We need a spoon.
That's not the spoon you want. The spoon's in here. Rihanna says no.
I feel like I'm sleepwalking.
Okay, so what's the first step? Here, let me read it, because I can read.
Okay.
Preheat oven to 180. Should we try and fix the oven first?
Like this. We'll try and turn it on.
Is it working? Okay, perfect.
Oh, this is a glass bowl.
Yeah, so leave it there, yeah? Okay, do you want to pour? Okay, here, I'll cut it open for you. And then I'll show you where the bowl is, and you gotta pour it, yeah?
Ready? Charge.
Okay, so, fill the bowl. Yeah? Okay, right. That's the mix.
Is it cut all the way?
It's open. No, just a little bit.
No, I can do it myself.
Good job. Whoa. Good job. Okay, you're getting mix everywhere. Okay, that's it. There's no more. Sort of.
Is this thing even recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
How many eggs did we need? Sam.
Right, come back.
Rihanna, we got it in the bowl. Is the oven... It's good? It's not working.
Put your hand in it so you're top.
It is working. You don't know how to preheat it. You just heat it up. Well,
I don't think I can do that.
Why do you have it on? Why now?
don't you just turn a dial?
Oh,
What about that one?
should I look for this part?
How do you not know how to preheat your own oven?
Yes, I got it.
Feel it. Is it hot? Is it hot?
180. There we go. Woo! We got it. We got it. We don't have a pan. Okay, so now we need, what do we need to do?
Need eggs and butter. Need to melt the butter. Do you have a microwave?
Right. You'll be okay. Just 5 of them. Do you have a bowl to put it in the micro while they? Okay, good.
But make sure it can go in the microwave.
I can't listen to you because I'm not supposed to be able to hear you. Do you want a spoon to help?
Ow! Are these a spoon?
No, use a spoon, it'll be easier. No! Ow! You're fine. Move the camera. Eye level. It's a bit wonky.
You're a bit wonky.
Lauren's a bit wonky. No, but then you're getting all the chins in it.
Sweet.
No, you don't do anything yet. No, stop touching.
You fucking asshole.
We should have bought more butter. What happens if you need butter throughout the week?
Make sure there's no Vegemite in the butter.
She doesn't eat Vegemite.
Is there any more butter?
Do you want me to put it in the microwave?
Is this mine? Don't knock my drink. What the fuck?
Alright, it's all done. Pour it in.
Give me pour. I want to pour it. I want to pour it.
Do it.
I don't want to burn myself. What? Is it good?
Yes. Give me the bowl. You just mix careful. Can I do an egg? 2. Okay, watch out, I'm cracking an egg. I think I'm going to crack it into the bowl first.
I should. Let me crack an egg.
Yeah.
That's it good.
Oh no, that's alright.
Okay, well, okay. I feel like I might lose a balance.
I was just helping her out.
Oh, no. Is it mixed?
10.
Now, your baking paper. Rihanna should put it in the oven.
Stop it dripping everywhere.
The left one's doing an egg.
Ow.
Can't see it. Am I in my phone?
No. You haven't done your password. It's not in yet. There you go. You're on Spotify. Now I can hear like muffled. I can't hear exactly what they're saying. Can I put it in?
Snapchat? Is it mine Snapchat?
I'll have a look in a minute. We're busy.
Rihanna.
Stop. The music stopped now. I can hear.
What the fuck did I do?
Okay, now we're fine.
I'm in Snapchat. What part of Snapchat am I in? Did I take a snap? Did I take a snap?
Hold it.
Yeah. Okay. Did I press send to someone? Okay. Who's that going to?
Alex.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want to send it out. Oh, forget it.
You're not much of a help, Taylor.
You're here.
You booty hole man. Can I lick the bowl?
No, I don't want to make the ball.
When you're done. I can't lick it. I don't know what you're saying, but okay. You can't eat it. Your mouth is shut.
When we're done, she said.
No, I can't.
No, you can't have any.
Aww.
Wait until we're done. Don't wash it.
Okay.
Just leave it aside. Put it aside.
That's what she's done.
Oh, okay. Is it in the oven? Is the oven preheated?
Just like make it flat.
Is the oven preheated? Like brownies.
We're good cooks, bro.
It's a timer for 30 minutes.
Oh, you want to set a timer?
Oh, look at that iOS 16 timer.
Wait,
Look at that.
I can take these off now?
Look at you.
That should be clean. No, you should eat. Manja. This is the best bit.
It's a bit I was going for, Rihanna.
Oh, it's a bit I was going for. I was like a child when I'm doing this.
Yeah. Bloody beautiful. That's probably the shittest video, like filming wise.
I know, we didn't even get in the camera.
Very chaotic.
Bloody delish.
We'll be back when they're cooked. Ow, it burns. Ow, ow. Fuck, that's hot.
Brownie is finished.
I cannot be bothered using a cooling rack. So
Yeah, but when you put it, nah, listen to
They're very gooey. We'll let them cool.
Cannot figure out how to turn this friggin' oven off. What are you gonna do if we can't figure out how to turn it off?
Get my neighbour.
Okay, you yell at us.
It's still a bit raw inside.
Stop being so judgmental. What did the brownies ever do to you except nearly burn down your house?
It's a good brownie. It could go viral. I doubt it. Bye!
Bye.
Hope you like the shit filming and chaos and we still don't know how to turn off the oven.